Hey everyone, join me for a full day in-person workshop where I'm going to teach you to master Framer so you can build pixel perfect websites without writing any code. For this workshop, you don't need any coding experience. You don't even need to have any Framer prior experience. We're going to teach you everything from the fundamentals to using the CMS, adding effects to make your site really come to life, understanding responsiveness, and of course, publishing your site to the internet. And by the end of this workshop, you're going to be able to take any design and make that a production-ready website. Meaning whether you're an agency, working in-house, or even a pro freelancer, you'll be able to take this away and apply it to your own work. My name's Ryan. I've been building no-code websites for over 7 years. And for the past few years, I've been teaching Framer because I absolutely love turning designers into developers. I'm also an official Framer mentor, and I've helped brands that you probably use create education. I'd absolutely love to meet you and to teach you Framer. So if you're interested in coming along, you can see all the tour dates and information at framerworkshop.com. I'll see you there.